Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First Ashra of Ramadan. Days of mercy. This is called Rahmat, meaning mercy of Allah. So, these first 10 days are also known as the days of mercy. This is the time when every Muslim must seek mercy and blessings from Allah. The dua for this part of the month is رَبِّ اغْفِرْ وَارْحَمْ وَأَنْتَ خَيْرُ الرَّاحِمِينَ. Oh my Lord, forgive and have mercy, and you are the best of merciful. Another similar prayer that can be said is, O ever-living, the everlasting, I seek your help through your mercy. In line with these prayers and the meaning of this Ashra, all Muslims should display mercy through acts of charity by treating others well and helping people whenever they can.